Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off Conversation View in Gmail on your PC. Conversation View groups all related emails together, making it easier to follow long email threads. However, if you prefer a more traditional email layout without grouping conversations, this tutorial is for you. We'll show you how to disable Conversation View in Gmail, giving you more control over your inbox. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. In the top right corner, click on Settings. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Select See All Settings. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the Conversation View section. Step 5. Next to Conversation View, click on the toggle button to turn it off. Once disabled, Gmail will display your emails individually, without grouping them into conversations. That's it. You've successfully turned off Conversation View in Gmail on your PC. Now you have the option to view your emails in a more traditional, non-threaded format. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Gmail tutorials and useful tech-related content.